Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen. And I am Chef Anupam. Today I am here with one of the basic preparations that is also called warm emulsified sauce. And your guess is right, that is Hollandaise. And to prepare this sauce, today I have Club Insomnia's one of the fine Chef Aniket. So Chef Aniket, we are going to prepare Hollandaise sauce, which is a warm emulsion sauce. How do you prepare Hollandaise sauce?
So we prepare Hollandaise sauce with egg yolk and clarified butter with warm emulsification.
Very good. Now this sauce is prepared from egg yolk and clarified butter. You have to use unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter, but then you have to be careful with the seasoning. And warm the butter, remove the moisture and the other impurities, so you will have a clarified butter. To prepare Hollandaise, we require egg yolk. I am using 2 egg yolks. The ratio of egg yolk and clarified butter is 1 egg yolk is 100 ml of clarified butter. Then I have clarified butter, white pepper powder, salt to taste. We will be preparing reduction using chopped red onion, bay leaf, peppercorn and tarragon. You have to use fresh tarragon. I have dried one, so I will use dried one. Then you will finish our sauce with lemon juice, and reduction we will also add vinegar. To prepare reduction, you have to use 2 parts of water, 2 parts of water, 1 part of vinegar, some chopped onion in this. We will add bay leaf, peppercorn and tarragon. Now if you have fresh tarragon and fresh bay leaf, that will give you more good taste. Now if you are making one of the derivative of Hollandaise sauce, that is, let's ask Chef Aniket, what are the derivatives of Hollandaise sauce?
Maltaise.
Okay.
Dijon.
Very good.
Mousseline.
Very good.
So
So good to hear from you. So basically, if you change the herbs, the name of sauce also changes. Like if you are using in this tarragon and mint, the name of sauce will be different. If you are using chevre, the name will change. So that is what herbs you use, that will what give you a name. And you can also use this chopped onion to finish your sauce. Now by the time a reduction is ready, we will take the egg yolk in the bowl, clean white bowl. Now this sauce is prepared on double boiler. And what is the classical term for double boiler?
it is bain-marie.
Wow, bain-marie. Okay, B-A-I-N-M-A-R-I. This is a French word which means double boiler. So basically it's cooking on the steam. That is what is called double boiler. You don't cook directly on the flame. So we have pan ready for this. Now our egg yolk is ready. Now we will add some of the reduction. You see that reduction is ready. Now reduction, you can see that this has been reduced. So I will use this reduction. I can definitely use some of the onion also to add more taste. I am only adding this reduction. Now if you want to add this onion, that will also give more taste in this. So you can add this also. But reduction, then see this liquid is ready. Now this liquid will be cooked on double boiler. Now we are going to cook on double boiler. Now here, make sure that this doesn't touch the warm water down. Slowly this will form like a sauce, like your sabayon sauce, egg yolk along with the reduction. So this is how you have to make a very nice thick liquid from this, and then slowly we will add clarified butter. Now you see that our sauce has started to thicken. Now this is how it has to be. You have to see that it has to be of coating consistency before you start adding warm clarified butter. Now this is almost ready. Please slowly add. Some people add crushed black pepper in this to get more taste. So this is again depends upon you. Now if you are using salted butter, so don't add any extra salt in this. And if you are using unsalted butter, then you can definitely season it as per your need. Now we are making the base hollandaise sauce. Now you see that how nicely homogeneous mixture it is forming. Same thing as I have shared with you the sauce mayonnaise. This sauce is also, you can rectify them if it curdles. Now how do you rectify them? If it curdles, that means the butter separates from the egg yolk. So you can add warm water. You can cook it on double boiler. Okay, so that is where, so this sauce will, again you can rectify them. Don't throw them in case the butter separates from the egg yolk. You can definitely mix. Now you see that it has started to thicken. You have to make sure that you add at least 200 ml of clarified butter. If the sauce is very thick, you can thin it down by addition of reduction if you see that you require more acidic taste in this, or water in case your acid is enough in this. I am adding water, warm water. Now as you will add warm water, you will see that it will thin down. Okay, so you have to incorporate 200 ml of clarified butter. Please pour more butter. That's it, Chef Aniket. Now you see that the sauce is thick, and as I said that once it will chill down, it will become more thick. So again you have to, if you want to thin it down, you can add warm water in this. Okay, and now we will finish it with lemon juice. Now lemon juice, the citric acid will give taste, and it will also cut down on the fat that you are using in this. Now I would ask chef to taste this for the final seasoning. Now you see that our sauce is ready. It is nice velvety color, and it will become more thick after it is cooled. So chef, please taste this whether it has the nice seasoning and everything is there or not. Very good. Thank you so much, Chef Aniket. Now I have not added salt in this because the butter which I used was salted butter. So that is why there was no requirement of salt. And even pepper powder I have not added because I have got the taste from the reduction of that. So this is your basic hollandaise sauce. On the basis of this, you can prepare various sauces, derivatives of hollandaise sauce, and you can serve in your kitchen. So thank you so much. I am Chef Anupam. With Chef Aniket on camera, we have Sahars Tiwari. We would like to thank you. Please keep liking, commenting and subscribing our channel so that we can come up with more videos to clear your basics and advanced cooking. Thank you so much. Have a good day.